We are at 952 West 59th Circle in Merrillville. We've got a 3-bedroom, 1.75 bath house, 1,300 square feet with a 1-car attached garage. Relatively large backyard, kind of sits on an angle. It's a 3-tab roof, needs a little bit of work. Gutters need a little bit of work. It's nice, the vinyl windows seem to be pretty good. Let's go ahead and head inside. And here we are. Let's go upstairs, entryway. It's a split level home. Living room. Flooring obviously needs to be replaced. They had pets, so there's pet stuff all over the place. So you can see carpet. Nice little dining area. Steps right into the kitchen. The counters in the kitchen cabinets look pretty salvageable if you're going to rent. Obviously, if you're going to flip, pull everything out. All right, let's go to the first couple of bedrooms and bath. Bedroom 1. Carpet. Walls don't seem too bad. A little spackling here or there. Let's slide over to bedroom 2, which probably is considered the master bedroom, I'm sorry, because it has a door that leads to the full bath. So again, rental, cleanup, but if you're gonna flip it, definitely take a look at this. Have quite a few linen closets upstairs, good storage. Let's head downstairs. They put in a laminate floor. Probably needs a little bit of work. If you're gonna go ahead and flip it, but for rental, I think you could kind of get away with it. This bedroom downstairs, pretty large. Some yum paneling. Seems like every room has a mirror. Hello. And let's head on out back to the family room. Decent size. Patio off the back. Door needs to be fixed up a little bit. We'll head that way in a minute. It's a single car garage. So electrical panel is in the garage of the back wall. And the garage door needs to be fixed. We come in here to the 3/4 bath. Shower only. Cleanup for rental. Needs a new toilet. Flip, of course, you're gonna gut the bathroom. And then we come into mechanicals. Don't look too bad. Probably needs some service. Some cleanup in here. Water heater. And then your hookups are right there for your washer and your dryer. All right, let's see if we can head on out the back. Hold on 1 second. We're not gonna get out the back. I had it jerry-rigged to open, but hold on 1 second. Now I know why things slid into place. All right, let's go out the back deck. Yikes. As you can see, pretty decent backyard. Deck needs a lot of work. Air conditioner looks pretty good. Step out. I have to watch my step because there are little doggy mines all over the place. Step, step. Here's the back of the house. (952) West 59th Circle Road, Merrillville. Thanks for watching.